Pneumatic Buckeye grinder operation. There are many kinds of tools and equipment that are used here at the shipyard. These tools can be very beneficial in reducing time, effort, and material waste. These tools are safe when used properly and maintained in good working order. Today our focus will be on one tool that is common to crafts that work with metal, especially aluminum. The tool is a pneumatic grinder, commonly referred to as a Buckeye grinder. In today's video, the grinder has been assembled with the carbide tipped grinding blade. These blades can be very dangerous when not used in the correct manner. As with any tool that rotates, loose clothing should be secured so as not to become entangled in the device and pull the operator into the tool. Torn or frayed clothing also provides a risk of entanglement. Proper PPE, as always, is a must. For this tool, operation would require a clear grinding shield, hearing protection, eye protection, Z87.1 clear foamed lined glasses, respirator, leather gloves, long sleeves, and of course steel toe boots. Next, we will look at the installation of the carbide tipped blade on the Buckeye. First, you install a flat washer. Followed by the carbide blade itself, and then another flat washer, and finally the nut is installed. And tightened firmly with a wrench. Never hand tighten this assembly. Note the rotation of the carbide blade when properly assembled. The proper rotation is determined when installing the blade, and if the blade assembly is put together incorrectly or with backward rotation, it can result in the tool hopping and control of the tool being at risk. As always, secure the material to be worked or grinded. Periodically check the clamper device used to secure the material for consistent grip and control. Also, pulling or guiding the tool in a backwards fashion toward your body can cause the tool to react in the same manner. It is a better practice to allow the tool to perform the work and pull itself away from your body as designed by the rotation of the blade when properly installed and set up. We appreciate your attention to this brief flash training video session. Thank you.